Guys, I got this smart light switch here and I have it connected to a bedroom lamp as well as a ceiling fan, and the light switches are working. However, I'm trying to set this up in the app and the instruction manual gave me some different instructions, so I just want to show you guys how to set this up actually. So to set it up, we're going to press and hold down all the buttons. So if yours is a 3 toggle, you're going to hold down the 3. We'll hold it down for 10 seconds. It will start blinking rapidly. And once that is blinking rapidly, we're going to go to the app. So you have already downloaded the Smart Life app, and we're at this screen. We're going to go to Add Device, go to Wall Switch, confirm indicator blinks rapidly. We're going to type in our Wi-Fi password, okay, and it's going to link up the smart switch now. Now I got this completely working, and then I put the light switch back on the wall, but upon...
I found 2 switch, and you can control it by saying, turn off 2 switch.
Upon installing this, you can see it's now turning on the ceiling fan. I accidentally reset it again. So you can see it is completely working now.